What's up, guys? So I already did my brows, excuse the face. We're gonna do that right now using the Maybelline Master Prime in the Blur and Smooth, the Milani Conceal in Perfect. I'm pretty sure I'm in the shade Sand, but I have tan here, so back my hand, and then I go in with my Real Techniques sponge. And oh yeah, that's a little dark, but it'll work. It will work. Okay, so I just did foundation. I'm going to do concealer after I do my eyes. I don't know, it's weird because I normally don't do my face before I do my eyes, but I'm trying something new. So for eyes, I think I'm going to use the Soft Glam palette just because I want to do something kind of like natural, everyday summer routine. Natural. Okay, so I'm going to be using Orange Soda, and I just have like a little eyeshadow brush from Morphe, a little blending brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and put Orange Soda in my crease very lightly. Yeah, so I kind of want to go for the more natural look, which is really hard for me because I'll always try to do something natural and it ends up very dramatic. So let's try it. Burnt Orange, which is honestly one of my favorite shades from Anastasia. The color Sienna on this little Luxie 237. It's like a teeny tiny little crease brush, so go ahead and put that on the outer corner. Give my eyes a little bit more definition. I literally do this look all the time, so I guess it's everyday summer makeup routine. Yeah, let's just say that. I also have no idea where my Jaclyn Hill palette is at the moment, and I use that like every day. It's somewhere in here. Have you guys seen that she's coming out with that new Volt collection? Like, oh, and each palette's only $15. Like, what? That's crazy. Now that that's all done, I'm not going to cut the crease, but I'm going to clean it up a little bit. So I'm taking some Shape Tape concealer and a little brush from the Vintage Cosmetics. A little bit. I said a little bit. I'm just going to put a lot of bit of concealer. Just going to put a lot of bit of concealer on my face. Because, like, why not? Oh my god. So, if you're new here, what's up? I don't even know why I, like, haven't been talking this entire tutorial. But, yeah, what's up? I'm going to pick up the shade Glistening. This one. I'm going to be taking the shade Mulberry from the same palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that on the outer edges of my eye and kind of with some mascara. I know that's weird that I don't curl my eyelashes before I put mascara, but like my eyelashes are very long, but they're stubborn. Okay, Double Decker lashes from Butter London. So now that I got mascara on, I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer on. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. So now that we have concealer on our under eyes, we are going to go ahead and set that. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder with my sponge. Press it into my skin. I loved it. My forehead, even though I didn't put concealer there, but I know that's where I tend to get a little shiny throughout the day and it doesn't look cute. So Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Palette. Just warm up the face a little bit. So now that we contoured a little bit, I'm going to bronze my face. I'm using the Milani XXL Oliver Glow. She's on her last legs. So my favorite bronzer in the entire universe, as per this very moment. Just going to bronze up my cheeks. Move on to blush. I'm going to be using one of my favorites, the Amazonian Clay, in the shade Feisty. To set it all with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray, one of my favorite setting sprays, and you can get it at the drugstore, so that's bomb. Now, time for highlight. What is this? Golden Flower Crown first. And Precious Petals right on top. Ooh. Girl, I haven't used Precious Petals in a minute. Natural Summer Glam. Just kidding. It's not natural. Simple Summer Glam. Simple Summer Glam. I'm going to use the Jordana lip liner in... You see my finger? You see that? I'm literally trying to not move it, but that's my medicine. That's sometimes what happens to me. You know how horrible that is for doing makeup? Look at... I'm literally tripping myself out. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to use the Easy Liner from Jordana in the shade Tawny, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And now, back to lips, I'm going to top it off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Gloss in the shade Gilded. I've had this for a hot minute, but one on my face. That completes this makeup look. Here is the final result. Something you can honestly, like, I would wear this every day. Everyday makeup routine, summer. We don't know. Okay, but yeah, I got a little special surprise for you. So, we're gonna be doing a giveaway, another one. Yes. All right, so the giveaway is gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna have three different winners, okay? And it's gonna be like a sheet mask giveaway, just because I love sheet masks, I love skincare, so let's just give it back to you guys. Why not, right? All right, so 3 separate winners. They will be winning 10 sheet masks each from your girl. So rules are very simple. Just subscribe to my channel down below, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below when you are done and let me know what your favorite color is. Yeah, then I will go ahead and enter you on into the giveaway, and we'll give it a couple weeks, but I will go ahead and announce whoever the winner is. Right, so don't forget to enter into that giveaway so you can win some, like, sheet masks and, you know, like, pamper yourself a little bit. Alright, well, until next time, see you later, alligator. Bye!